everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro super sport car. Very nice car, guys. I actually took this car in on trade on a little Nova I had. Neat car, factory Fathom green, code 57 with the factory dark green interior. It's a 350 small block, power steering, power disc brakes. Nice car. It's an older resto, so there's a few little things you can kind of nitpick in the paint, but car runs and drives excellent. Good solid body. You can see it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the correct 14-inch SS rally wheels. Car's got a good look. I love the Fathom green. That dark green metallic to me is just pretty. Of course, it's got the white hockey stripe SS hood. It's got the front and rear spoilers. Does not have the original engine in it. It does have an 010 performance block in it, and he said it's a 350, 300 horse engine. It's got a nice little cam to it. Neat car. Car's got a good look. And of course, it's a 69 Camaro, which these things are just always been good inventory. Paint's nice. You can see a few little touch-up marks as you go around it, but pretty doggone nice. Dash is nice in there. Little mark there in the paint. There's some wax down in there, guys. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, good set of BFGs all the way around it. SS rally wheels. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, which sounds good. It's a 10 bolt, just a stock gear, probably 323. I like it though, man. Car's got a good look. Touch up mark there. I've ordered new floor mats for it. They're not in yet. Looks like a little scratch there, just a little tiny scratch. Again, I'm not trying to pick it to death, but as I go around it, man, I try to show you the things that that I see. You can see the paint's slick. Again, not the original engine, but it is a 350. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. Holley Street Dominator carb, or I'm sorry, intake, aluminum intake. Headers, you can see it's got finned aluminum valve covers with the chrome air cleaner. Power steering, power front disc brakes. 350 turbohydrmatic trans. Car's got a good look to it. You see the paint's got depth. I mean, it looks good. Definitely got new mirrors on it. I'm gonna say those are probably the original door handles. See the new door rubbers. Bottoms of the doors are clean. Again, factory. I believe this might be the original interior, guys. Again, there's a couple little marks in it, but I don't know if that's no, seat covers are pretty nice. There's a little wear on them, but again, I've ordered new floor mats for it. Sports steering wheel. Showing 11,260 on the odometer. It's about a 10-year-old resto, so that might be the miles actually on the restoration. Factory dash, you can see it's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio, aftermarket Sunpro gauges, you know, factory bucket seats with the console. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, no big monster gear or anything like that. Factory jack was spare. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. Good looking car, man. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Watch that website, watch our Facebook page. I mean, I'm posting stuff on there. You know, as I'm buying it, I know guys are getting frustrated. I hear you. I'm getting your emails, I'm getting your calls. You want to see pictures and videos, but again, as I've explained before, I like to do these videos myself. And a lot of guys are just buying them before I get this done. Now you can call the guys. Well, seats are nice. You can call the guys. A lot of times they'll do a little iPhone video or something for you, and that's how a lot of the guys are buying the cars. But I know people are frustrated because they want to see my video, and I just don't have it done. You can start it, Jordy. And of course, I'm traveling, trying to buy cars. Good running car, man. I like the green. I like that. I like it with that dark green is pretty. Fuel gauge works. Oil pressure gauge, temp gauge works. Got a little exhaust hanger rattling or something. There you go. Yeah, he's got a station. Yep. Blower motor does work, right, Jordy? Yeah. The doors open and close nice. Horn works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can click on that little button below. That way you get a notification every time I do one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.